So now we will discuss about the shutdown point, and we will analyze about short-term losses more, and we will find out which is the point when a firm takes a decision to shut down temporarily, because we are talking about the short run. So we will not be interested in exit of the firm. Basically we are talking about the temporary shutdown of the firm. So if you remember about the average total cost, then this was made up of two type of costs: average fixed cost and average variable cost. Fixed cost is associated with all the factors of production which are fixed in nature, just like rent has to be paid even if the production is going on or not. But average variable cost depends upon the number of units produced. It changes as the number of units produced gets changed. So the average total cost curve will also include the average variable cost. This is pretty much clear that a firm will incur losses when the price is less than average total cost. As we can also see from here, this is the price line, and average total cost is above the price line. Now, should a firm shut down when it is seeing that price is less than average total cost curve? So this decision of a firm depends on average variable cost. Let me show you how. So you observe in the figure, this is average variable cost curve. Okay, so until the point the price is more than the average variable cost, the firm will not shut down, because at least it is covering its average variable cost. So here you can see this is not the situation of shutting down, because average variable cost is still less than the price. But imagine the situation when price is less than even average variable cost. Means price is not enough to cover up the average variable cost as well, like in this situation. So in this situation, this would be the shutdown point. So if a firm a firm looks at the price which is less than average variable cost, which is not sufficient to cover the average variable cost, so the best decision for the firm is to shut down their production processes temporarily in the short run.